In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the top navigation bar of your Power App. So just in case you don't know what I'm talking about, the top navigation bar that I am talking about is right here. So it's just this one from Microsoft that they put right here on top of everything. And so the actual app starts in this white space right here. So all I have to do is come over here, all the way in my URL, and I'll add another parameter, which to do so I just do an and then I say hide nav bar, and I'll say equals true, and if I hit enter, it goes away. So how I like to do this is I simply put this parameter inside of the link when I send the link for users to use, or maybe the app users are getting to this app through SharePoint or something like that, so I include that hide nav bar equals true inside of that link. Also, if I'm going from one app to another, I put that parameter inside of that link to the other app as well, so that the user never has to actually think about or even put in that hide nav bar inside of there. I don't use it on every app that I do for our clients, but I do like to do it a lot. I feel like it really hides things and cleans things up and makes the user feel like they're really in their own application or experience. And that's it. If you like this video, feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Also, if you'd like us to help build an app for you or help you build an app yourself, then check out our website as well. And lastly, I'm actually writing a fantasy novel. So if you'd like to check that out, it's at benfetters.com. I'll put links to all these in the description down below. Thanks and have a great day.